Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. We get a few of these direct from the leasing company. One owner, they have a full maintenance printout. They're very well looked after. They sell very well. 9-seat minibus. Okay, 2017 on a 67. Ford Tourneo Custom 2 litre. It's a 310 EcoBlue Zetec Euro 6. So it's standard wheelbase, standard roof. It's not a long or it's not a high roof. Full 9-seat minibus, 2 sliding side doors. 110,000 miles, one owner from you. £11,495, no VAT. Wet belt replaced at 94,000, now done 110,000. These are Signet, it's a healthcare company. Service, I believe, but owned by Signet. They're leased. They are safety inspected every 6 months, MOT'd every 12 months. They normally drive like new and in lovely condition. So, yeah, that sums this van up. Metallic silver, rear park sensors, privacy glass. New tyre there. Nice tyre there. Front park sensors, daytime running lights. Not covered in stone chips or dented. Has done 110,000 miles, but you would never know it. Door cards, good condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, fitted mats in the cab, armrest, cup holder there, armrest on the driver's seat, immaculate condition. Leather steering wheel, multifunction with I'll have a check in a minute, but it's got lots of buttons on it. We have Bluetooth and DAB digital radio, 6-speed manual diesel, with climate control, or with air conditioning, sorry. In the back, again, super clean, 9-seater, not knocked about. I don't know whether I can do this with one hand. Okay, I can't. You pop that down. Okay, right. Put that back to normal. There you go. That seat tilts forward for access to the rear. In the back, not tatty or knocked about. Pop that seat back down. Mats in there as well. Rear park sensors, privacy glass. Just show you in the boot. Just take my shoes out. Okay, so there you go. Super clean. Not knocked about. Lovely. Little mark on the tailgate, little shopping trolley dink, but generally very clean, very, very tidy, not tatty. Drives beautifully. I'll show you in this side, just like the other side, nice and clean. Seat down. There you go. Very nice indeed. Armrests on both sides of that single rear seat. Electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic headlamps, nice leather steering wheel, got cruise control, got DAB radio, got Bluetooth, got air conditioning. Very, very, very nice. Drives beautifully. So great service history, wet belt replaced. It's 11,495, no VAT, and the wet belt was done at 94,000 miles. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. May have more than one of these in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, You would get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.